So this the Walgreens is my neighborhood stores and restaurants. And then you see that one? The Mount Charleston is close by to us too. It's overlooking on my window. This is the village square shopping center. This is part of our neighborhood. Okay. We do have what do you call this place? Color Slash, Leslie Power Supply, Vivid Dental, Review. It's like some kind of restaurant. UMC, Quick Care, Rubio, Coastal Grill. We do have also the Shina Italian restaurant right here. It's a beautiful neighborhood. Look at the Mount Charleston. It's close by. So this is my morning walk. Every morning I see to it to walk at least 30 to 45 minutes walk. I love it. It's good exercise for me. See, as you can see the Mount Charleston is right there. It's close by. We do have a Puyuluco too right here. And what else? There's a lot of restaurants in here. See, as you can see here, get the Burgundy Bakery, Coffee Bistro. We got what is this? Artificial grass liquidators. I don't know what is that. So this is a lot of people doing the exercise right here. So that's the see the Mount Charleston right there. See, it's really beautiful place. Yeah. There's a broken yoke. There's a good breakfast. I think we have there's a steak and eggs for breakfast. I've been there once. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, broken yoke. It is 6 meals under $10. That's a good deal, huh? Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful area. MacArthur, I don't know what is there. There are like offices for lawyers or whatever. So this is the one I'm talking about, the Italian restaurant. Yeah, the Sina. Yeah, Sina Italian Authentic Trattoria. Place. So, like this one, I have this right here. All the doctors and lawyers' offices. got all kinds of medical incorporated right here. That's the Quintana. What do you call that? Retiro apartments or something. Some kind of a condominium. See? So yeah, so this is the Village Square Center. Yeah. Here. She office vis-a-vis. She still have office available right here if you wanna check it out. It's a good neighborhood, good area. Nice trees. Just the what? The Mount Charleston right there. It's close to my house. Overlooking from my window. And then have a good day, everyone.